Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to secure Signal Private Messenger with screen lock. Firstly, get up into your chat section, go to your profile icon, then scroll down, go for privacy setting, and then scroll down again. On the setup you have screen lock. On security, just turn on this setup, and now you're gonna be able to lock by fingerprint or Android screen lock. Now you need just to tap on screen lock and activity timeout, go on that selection. You can get up and take over this setup, in which, I don't know, first you need to mention your interest related into your setup. I will go for 1 minute, go OK. Then what you can do next, you can go with that side, which is screen security. Just you can turn on also that section, and you can get up to the main point. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.